So good morning everyone. So today we discuss about OC test and SC test of transformer. OC test and SC test of transformer. So the purpose of OC and SC test is to determine efficiency of transformer, equivalent circuit of transformer, voltage regulation of transformer, So you have to see that one. So consider one transformer. This one is given transformer. This is HV winding. This one is LV winding. This one is high voltage winding. This one is low voltage winding. So I am connecting OC test. For OC test we required one ammeter, one voltmeter, one wattmeter. Ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter. So the ammeter reads no load current. Voltmeter reads no load voltage. Wattmeter reads no load power losses. That is equal to iron loss. So I am conducting. This one is the transformer. I am connecting AC supply. So consider this transformer, high voltage winding, low voltage winding. So using auto transformer, So this one is auto transformer. So the purpose of auto transformer is to adjusting the voltage. So I am connecting one ammeter. Ammeter is always connected series. I am connecting another voltmeter. So connecting one wattmeter. To the transformer. This is low voltage winding, high voltage winding. W0, I0, V0. So OC test means open circuit. So that's why I am open the HV voltage winding. So this is the connection diagram for OC test. In this OC test I am applying rated voltage of the transformer. Whatever the low voltage of the transformer, I can apply by using the auto transformer. So this we only have to read the current I0 and W0. So W0 is I0 V0 equal to no load. V0 equal to no load voltage. I0 equal to no load current. W0 equal to no load losses, that is equal to iron loss, that is equal to iron loss. W naught equal to what? V naught I naught cos phi naught. V naught I naught cos phi naught. So cos phi naught equal to what? W naught by V naught I naught. W naught by V naught I naught. So after that one we can calculate IW is equal to I naught cos pi naught. IW is equal to I naught cos pi naught. IM is equal to I naught sin pi naught. We can determine from this one, we have to R naught is equal to V naught by IW. Equivalent circuit of X naught equal to V naught by I mu. X naught, R naught, X naught. So this is no load current. This one is IW. This one is I mu. So from this test we can calculate the iron loss. Iron loss is again hysteresis and eddy current. Hysteresis and eddy current loss. So next SC test. After that one SC test. So connecting 1 ammeter, 1 voltmeter, 1 wattmeter. Here low voltage winding. Here SC means short circuit. SC means short circuit. Short circuit the test. So here we have WSC. Wattmeter have terminals ML CV. Main line common voltage. Main line common voltage. This is short circuit current. This is short circuit voltage. This one is the transformer. This one is the transformer. This one is AC supply. AC supply. So here by using the auto transformer, we can apply the rated current. Whatever the rated current of the transformer, we can apply by using auto transformer. So the readings can be taken. Vs equal to short circuit voltage. Is equal to short circuit current. Ws equal to short circuit power. These three are the readings of that one. So from this test we can calculate the Ws equal to what? Copper losses. So from this we can calculate the copper losses. So Ws equal to Isc square by Rsc. Isc square by Rsc. Rs equal to what? Wsc by Isc square. Wsc by Isc square. What is the impedance? Zs equal to Vsc by Isc. So from this Rsc and Zsc we can calculate the Xsc, that is equal to Z square minus R square. So from that we can have to be calculate. So the purpose of this test is to calculate the efficiency. So this one is the Ws equal to copper losses. So efficiency from OC and SC test we can calculate the efficiency equal to output by input, that is equal to output plus losses. What are the losses? iron loss plus copper loss, iron loss plus copper loss. So output is what? Xs cos y divided by Xs cos y plus iron loss is from OC test, copper loss is from SC test. We can easily calculate the efficiency at any load. So equivalent circuit also can be drawn. This one is RSC, XSC, this one is R0, X0, R0, X0. This is about the OC and SC test. So next class we can study the problems.